Russia is adding Iranian drones to its war arsenal, though experts aren't sure they will have a significant impact against the US-supplied high-mobility artillery rocket systems that have proved fruitful for Ukrainian forces. The Pentagon confirmed that Russia has imported hundreds of Iranian drones as the war intensifies in Crimea and Kherson. The operation of the drones requires time-intensive military training that might not result in Russian success, as they still lack the precision missiles Ukraine possesses, making it difficult to target moving objects such as Himars. Drones will work with long-range unguided rockets like Russia's, but not as effectively. Russia needs to develop reconnaissance-targeting-strike systems so they can turn information from drones into effective strikes. Russia's strategy of using drones is similar to Ukraine's. They will use drones as reconnaissance for artillery and as attack platforms with onboard missiles. It remains unclear how long it will take Russia to get used to operating and maintaining the technology. But if Russia learns to use drones effectively, Ukraine will face the same problems Russia has, including attacks on headquarters and logistical problems that might disrupt retaliatory strikes. Attacks from Himars and Ukrainian warplanes have reportedly left the morale of the Russian army miserable. They have been shown to play a role in helping Ukraine beat back Russian advances, making it important for Russia to develop a strategy to counter such weapons. Himars and 777 are at the very top of that list that Russian military leaders are focusing on destruction. Samuel Bendet, Russia analyst for the Center for Naval Analysis, said, "That's why Russia needs extra capabilities to identify targets and hit them very quickly after identification." Bendet said that if Russia wanted to import drones from a country that already used them in combat, Iran was its only real option. Himars, a high-mobility artillery rocket system, is the newest member of the family of multi-launch rocket systems. Himars is intended to engage and defeat artillery, air defense concentrations, trucks, and light armor and personnel carriers, as well as support troop and supply concentrations. The system launches its weapons and moves away from the area at high speed before enemy forces locate the launch site. The improved launcher mechanical system upgrade and electronics of the improved fire control system, which upgraded MLRS M270 launchers, are also fitted to Himars vehicles. The high-mobility artillery rocket system is operated by a crew of 3, the driver, gunner, and section chief. However, the computer-based fire control system enables a crew of 2 or a single soldier to load and unload the system. The fire control system includes video, keyboard control, a gigabyte of program storage and global positioning system, GPS. The fire control computer allows firing missions to be carried out in automatic or manual mode. In a typical mission, a command and control post would transmit the selected target data via a secure data link to the Himars onboard launch computer. The computer then aims the launcher and provides prompt signals to the crew to arm and fire a pre-selected number of rounds. The launcher can aim at a target in just 16 seconds. It is possible for the crew to select pre-programmed multiple mission sequences, which have been stored in the computer. In addition to the standard MLRS round, Himars is capable of launching the entire MLRS family of munitions, including the extended-range rocket, the reduced-range practice rocket, and all future variants. The high-mobility artillery rocket system can fire extended-range guided MLRS, GMLRS, rockets, Army Tactical Missile System missiles, and the next-generation precision strike missiles. The extended-range MLRS rocket improves the basic M26 range of 32 km to more than 45 km, and the area of influence by 107%. Extension of the Himars rocket motor has resulted in a reduction in the payload to 518 M85 grenades, but the dispersion of the grenades is improved for better effectiveness with fewer grenades. In April 2004, Himars successfully test-fired the new extended-range guided rocket GMLRS, with a range of more than 70 km. The Lockheed Martin GMLRS rocket has a GPS, an inertial guidance package and small canards on the rocket nose to enhance accuracy. GMLRS completed System Development and Demonstration (SDD) tests in December 2002 and entered low-rate initial production in April 2003. Initial operating capability, IOC, was achieved in 2006, but the system has been operationally deployed since September 2005 in Iraq. The GMLRS is an international program involving the UK, Italy, France and Germany, as well as the US. The industrial team includes Diehl, MBDA, and Fiat Avio. In May 2005, the first deliveries were made of a unitary variant of GMLRS, developed by General Dynamics Ordnance and Tactical Systems, with a single 81.6 kilograms, 180 pounds warhead and a range of up to 70 kilometers. In October 2003, Lockheed Martin was awarded an SDD contract for 86 unitary variant rockets, which were delivered in June 2005. In June 2007, GMLRS Unitary entered low-rate initial production, LRIP. The PRSM fired from the Himars launcher reached its longest flight in a test conducted at the Vandenberg Space Force Base, VSFB, California, in October 2021. Himars is capable of firing the long-range Army Tactical Missile System guided missile. The ATACMS family includes the Block I, Block IA, and Block IA unitary missiles. The Block I missile delivers 950 anti-personnel anti-material (APRAM) baseball-sized M74 submunitions to ranges exceeding 165 kilometers. The Block IA missile range exceeds 300 kilometers by reducing the submunition payload to 300 bomblets and adding GPS guidance. The missile, with a single-burst warhead, was first deployed in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom in March and April of 2003. The program to develop the Block II missile with GPS and 13 BAT, brilliant anti-tank, sub-missiles and the Block IA missile with 6 improved BAT sub-missiles was cancelled in February 2003. The High Mobility Artillery Rocket System carries a single 6-pack of rockets on the Army's family of medium tactical vehicles 6x6 all-wheel drive 5T truck supplied by Armor Holdings Tactical Vehicle Systems Division, now BAE Systems Mobility and Protection Systems, in Texas. The vehicle weighs approximately 24,000 pounds, 10,886 kilograms, compared to more than 44,000 pounds, 19,958 kilograms, for the MLRS N270 launcher. Himars is transportable on the C-130 aircraft, allowing the system to be moved into areas previously inaccessible to the larger C-141 and C-5 aircraft required for the M270 launch vehicle.